Hey guys, every time I present my branding projects in a certain way on social media, I tend to get 1 to 2 leads, which usually turn to clients. In this video, we're going to learn how to present our branding projects in a compelling way on social media so we can get more clients and more money. My name is Emmanuel Akpan. Yeah, welcome to my channel and let's get into the video. Right, so right now we are in Illustrator and we have just created 10 artboards of 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is tailored towards Instagram carousel format. Right, so let's go into the slides to find out the format for posting step by step. So the target for your first slide on any post should be attention. So people are scrolling on social media, so you need to make that first page really attention grabbing. And you might have seen a couple of brands using this kind of style grid format of showing different parts of the project they just worked on, right? So this is just a sample of how I worked on it on this project for a marketing agency. So the whole idea here is each box should feature one part of the project. So here on the top left, you have the tagline. On the top right, you have a sticker. Here you have a logo. Here you have the app, how the app is going to look like, and so on. So you just want to encapsulate the whole idea of your project in one slide. And this is really important for capturing attention. Now, your next 2 slides should kind of talk about the idea of the project. So as you can see here, this is just the logo of the project on a simple background. And the third slide just goes into how the logo can work in different scenarios and stickers that were created for the project based on the tagline and the whole brand concept. So you always want to just present a little about the idea of your project in the second and third slide. So from your fourth slide downward, you want to now showcase mockups. You don't have to present down to the 10th slide, but it's advisable for more engagement. So from the fourth slide here, we have the hero section of the website. The fifth and sixth slide show how the brand is going to work on social media for stories and posts. And the next few slides just show the ID card of the company and staff complimentary cards. And the final 2 pages, just to cap it off, is just different posters of the brand. But you will notice here the last 2 slides are actually connected to each other, the last 2 artboards. So you can see how there's going to be a constant flow on social media from one slide to the other. So this is very good for making your post more engaging and just to show how everything connects together. And this is a really great way to just show how you think about a project from start to finish. And clients always love to see this just to show your professionalism as well. Alright guys, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave the link to this project in the description so you can see how it actually worked in real life. Don't forget to like and subscribe and always stay creative. Bye bye.